Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to tell you about an incident that happened in the shop today. I had a small Champion generator come in. It had this spark plug in, and if you look closely here, you can see that the electrode and the gap part, the metal part here, are touching. The reason for that is because the generator that I took this plug out, that wouldn't start, should have had a plug like this, which is shorter in threads. You can see the gap is good. NGK BPR 4HS. Instead, somebody went and shoved a BPR 6ES, which is longer threads. The piston in the cylinder head ended up squashing the gap and shutting it shut. Generator wouldn't start. The reason why I got a bit stumped by it is because the customer brought the generator over and said, oh, I just got a new spark plug for it. They gave it to me at the store where I bought it, which is a famous big box store in Canada here. And so I kind of took their word for it. I didn't do my own proper research, and I messed around with it for a while thinking that this plug was good. But as soon as it went in, the gap was squeezed shut. So it was just a simple repair, putting in the proper plug, and the generator was good. The gist of the video, guys, is always make sure you have the right spark plug in your equipment. Thanks for watching.